Photography on the 2026 iPhone is truly next level. The rear camera array includes a 200 megapixels main sensor, a periscope-style telephoto lens with 10x optical zoom, and a deep sensing lidar 2.0 scanner for night and AR photography. The night mode now captures stars, northern lights, and even dim candlelight with studio clarity. Video can be recorded in 16K resolution at 60 FPS, complete with Dolby Vision and dynamic background editing powered by AI. Battery life has been improved, too. Apple's new graphene cell battery offers up to 48 hours of continuous use on a single charge. And for the first time, 0 to 100% charging takes just 15 minutes with the new 70W MagSafe Ultra charger. Wireless charging is faster, and the phone now supports reverse wireless charging to charge other devices like AirPods or even another iPhone. On the software side, iOS 20 introduces modular widgets, dynamic app skins, and multi-view, which lets users run two apps side by side in a true split-screen mode, something users have been requesting for years. Face ID has also evolved. It now works from multiple angles and even with sunglasses or masks, using a new generation of facial recognition technology enhanced by AI. One of the quietest but most powerful features of the new iPhone is the satellite internet connectivity. The iPhone 2026 includes a built-in low Earth orbit (LEO) satellite chip that allows global messaging and internet access even when there's no cellular network. In emergencies, it can switch to satellite mode to let users send messages, access maps, or even make limited calls, a potential life-saving feature for travelers and explorers. For privacy lovers, Apple has doubled down. All AI processing happens on device. Nothing you ask or ever leaves your phone unless you allow it. The secure enclave is now enhanced with Quantum Shield, Apple's first step toward post-quantum encryption, ensuring your data is safe even in the era of quantum computing. The new iPhone also embraces sustainability. The device is 100% carbon neutral, made from recycled rare earth materials, bio-resin glass, and biodegradable packaging. Even the MagSafe accessories have gone green, with Apple offering eco-leather cases and solar-powered external batteries. When it comes to audio, the phone is equipped with spatial sense speakers, which create a surround sound effect without any headphones. Paired with upgraded AirPods Vision, the iPhone can deliver lossless audio, noise canceling, and even spatial tracking for AR experiences that seem to jump out of the screen. In terms of storage, the base model now starts at 512 GB, with options up to 4 TB, acknowledging the fact that content creators, gamers, and power users need more space than ever before. And yes, Apple has finally added USB-C across the lineup, allowing for faster data transfer and universal cable compatibility. The iPhone 2026 isn't just a device, it's a lifestyle hub, a creative tool, a smart assistant, a gaming console, and a professional camera all packed into one sleek form. Starting at $1,399, it's not cheap, but it's packed with so much innovation that it feels more like a futuristic computer in your hand than a traditional smartphone. 1,000-word English script about the 2026 iPhone, imagining it as a new release with improved features, possibly continuing from the iPhone 14 style. 2026 iPhone 1,000-word English script. The year is 2026, and Apple has once again pushed the boundaries of what a smartphone can be. The new iPhone, officially called the iPhone 18 Pro, is not just an upgrade, it's a complete reimagination of mobile technology. With a stunning new design, advanced AI capabilities, and futuristic hardware, the 2026 iPhone is unlike anything the world has seen before. At first glance, the phone looks sleek and refined, with a design language that feels both familiar and futuristic. Apple has returned to a slightly curved frame, blending the elegance of the iPhone 11 with the flat-edge precision of the iPhone 14. The body is made of liquid titanium, a material Apple developed in partnership with aerospace engineers. It's lighter than aluminum but stronger than steel, giving the phone an ultra-premium feel without adding any extra weight. The display is one of the most talked about features. Apple calls it the Infinity Edge Dynamic Display, a 6.9-inch OLED screen that curves gently at the edges but without causing distortion. It stretches almost bezel-less across the front, hiding the front camera beneath the display using a next-gen under-display camera system. This time, Apple perfected it. No visible dot, No haze, just pure screen. The refresh rate dynamically shifts between 1 Hz and 180 Hz, making everything feel incredibly smooth and battery efficient. Performance has taken a giant leap forward with the introduction of the A20 Bionic chip, the first Apple chip built on a 2-nanometer architecture. This chip doesn't just make the phone faster, it makes it smarter. The neural engine inside is capable of real-time voice translation, on-device ChatGPT-style AI generation, and advanced computational photography that rivals professional DSLRs. Apps launch instantly, multitasking feels seamless, and even the most demanding games run with console-level graphics. One of the biggest innovations is the AI personal assistant named Aura. It's not Siri. Siri has been officially replaced. Aura is deeply integrated with iOS 20, and it learns from your habits, speech patterns, and daily routines. Ask Aura to organize your calendar, generate an email draft, suggest a vacation, or even hold a call for you, and it will do it.